soundcloud.com/markgbeats.
All my niggas understood about that place I call my hood. Give me the baddest bitch, happy smiling when I'm high. Yeah, she trippin', but fuck it, we don't waste time. Got the blunts rolled and pre-show foot. Shorty needs some healing, giving friend and lend a shoulder. Yeah, I'm talking old shit, those lame niggas know this. Making boys paper touch until they focus. My weed and grind, heavy smoking, yeah, I'm fly. My niggas posting up, real talk, we throwing cuts. Spin us up your bitch, get up on my dick, she going nuts. The bad boy, shorty wanted anything, she got it in her bag, cause she knows I cop it. My rock shine bright, hitting hard, swinging fast, make them drop it. Little honey, feel my swag, want them dollar signs on the tags, hit it from the back. Let her ride, she can't control the stacks, which is been a higher leg. Out of reach, you breathe my air, let me get you out of here. Yeah, these streets respect my fleet, real niggas riding with me, heavy eyes sitting low, bragging, but you check my feet, real heat, laid with a burner on my side, Mac 11 attached to my hip, so you know I'm down to ride. Your boys be envious, scratch like we making records, real timing low, jeans studded belt, girls be necking fake, niggas hating same shit, we be thinking, E&J, empty bottles, you know what we drinking, parties hype, pressure high as the wind blows, we conversating bait, no need for windows.